So I've left the chart up from the previous lesson just to give some context and see how this element works with a textured and colored background. Now let's look at the texture and color paper option here. Let's change the paper texture and color of the canvas. So we'll click on that icon there, and we can see that we've got some different paper options available. Let's click on that one. Okay, so you can see now the background of your canvas. Let's just zoom out. Your entire canvas, the background for the entire scribe is going to be that background that I just chose. Let's check out some other background options just to see what we have available. You can add a vignette, a soft vignette, a hard vignette, no vignette. So let's go with a hard vignette just to see what that looks like. That's the difference when the hard vignette's added. That's a little too dramatic for me. I actually don't really like the vignette at all with whiteboard animations, but again, it's great to know that there is an option. Let's go click that plus button to take us back to no vignette, and let's choose a color for the background. Why don't we go with a light purple here? So I've clicked on that. So now those textured backgrounds are going to show up in a light purple. Let's click on this one here, and that is what the background would look like. Let's click into the paper options one more time, and we will click on this top middle option because this is the option with no texture, so it will just be the purple background. Let's see what that looks like, and that's what it looks like. So depending on the type of scribe you're creating, if it's a more fun or a childlike, an upbeat, playful, happier scribe, then it's great to know that you have the option to change the colors and the textures of your background. Personally, my clientele when it comes to creating whiteboard animations are mainly corporate clients. So usually I stick with the white background just because I think that looks the most clean and professional, but you do have tons of options here when it comes to colors. So let's just go back in there, and we are currently on the no textured background, which has already been selected. So I'm going to go back into the background color, and I'm going to go click the white, and there we go, back to the white background.